Yo, my beautiful people, what it do, what it don't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host P Fire, aka P in the Pink Bucket, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Let's get into it, my beautiful people. It's been a while, so let's not waste any more time. Oh, what is that? What is it? Oh shit. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. What the fuck happened to you? Woo! Jeez. Guys, let's get it right. You know what I mean? Let me give you a little, you know what I'm saying? Let me just give you a little close-up and toilage and all of that good stuffage. You know what I mean? Let's see what's cracking on with this piece right here. So what we have here, guys, is a Nike ISPA vest, utility vest, some might say. ISPA, Nike, that stands for innovate, scavenge, protect and adapt. So, you know, it's part of their sort of, you know, new innovative sort of, you know, range, I would guess. You know, they got the crepes, they got little jackets, they got some vest bits. Here, look at that bit there. You see? Ooh, it's all innovative and protective and adaptive. Anywho, guys, that's what that is all about. Let's get into what this is all about. So, boys and girls, I don't even know where to start. Let's just start at the fastener. So let me fasten this up. You have 1, 2 fasteners that give you a fastened approach to your vest. So you've got that nice and fastened like so. Okay, boom. And on said fastened fasteners, you have one which is sort of like a mauve, would you say? A mauve color. And then you have the other side, which is sort of like a dirty nougat, shall we say? Dirty nougat. So you have the mauve and dirty nougat, and in they go like so. Click. We love that sound. And of course you have these adjustable straps which you pull and it makes it closer or not closer. So you have 2 of those. Now this, let me just release this for you. Now these fasteners are on a body of, I don't know what this is. Look at this, guys. It's like mesh. It's some sort of scavenged mesh, you know, as if think a bit of 3M. It's, see that? You see that? It's got pull. It's got strength. It's kind of like a bit of a ripstop material, but I couldn't tell you exactly what it is, but it's quite robust. You have these 2 orange lines here which encase a 3M panel like so. You have this part here which is like this sort of breathable, see, like your girl's pantyhose if we were American. It's like that pantyhose material. So very pliable, pullable and stretchy. Got a bit of elastic in there, and as you can see it has holes, breathable, so it's very mesh like. Okay, so you have that grey mesh which follows all the way round, as you can see, onto the left hand side and onto the right hand side. You have this middle bit which is again like that pantyhose. It's very stretchy and yeah, it's just got that nice sort of elasticated feel to it. You have this really soft, beautiful suede panel right here which goes all the way up like so, and then it goes all the way around the back, as in the base of the neck, and then on to the adjacent panel. Alongside that, you also have this nice fetching yellow label which tells you all about what it's all about. The craftsmanship on this is really dope. Round the back here, let me just step back. Can you see that black panel right there? So that black panel right there is like a bit of terry cloth, bit softer but really nice bit of terry cloth. On the fasteners you have these sort of nice little roped bits which are brown with some blue speckles. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets, 6 pockets. And I tell you, these pockets, you know, like I like to say on many a time, you can put all these stuff in your pockets. Let's see what we can put in our pockets. Okay, I'll open the first pocket. Qu'est-ce que c'est? We have a bar of gold. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, what? That's a bar of gold. I really thought it would be like, you know, in Goldfinger where they have those big bars of gold. Well, you know, those would be like kilo bars and stuff. This is just a normal bar of gold. And this is how it comes. You could imagine my surprise when I bought this and I thought it was going to be like a really big bar because I'm really bush. But no, this is what the bar actually looks like. Okay, bar of gold, boom. So one pocket, bar of gold. Not a bad thing. You thought I was just making all this stuff up when I was talking about bars of gold, eh? You thought I was just making it up. Let's see what else we have in the other pocket. Oh, we have these. Qu'est-ce que c'est are these? Let's put it out. Let's put it out. I'll put these down. Well, I've got a couple bars of silver. Once again, I'm sure you're thinking, what? That's a bar of silver? Yeah, I don't know. That might be 5 ounces. That might be about 5 ounces as well. Pure silver, you know, why not if not? So I do put bars of silver and bars of gold in my clothing. It wasn't just me talking. What else do we have in this beautiful zipped up? Oh, got some maca root. So that helps you, you know, as you're getting older. It helps you for your increased stamina. Ooh, supports fertility, boosts libido. Who knew? You know, I'm getting a bit older, so man, just taking these. I've never actually taken them. The seal's still on. But, you know, prostate issues and all that, just in case, you can ward them off. Bit of maca root, so I've heard. I need to start taking these. Anywho's, guys, I'm giving you science as well as fashion. Oh, in here, another pocket, I have bit of Jason Mark to clean my crepes. Now you can use any crepe cleaner. This just happens to be the one I use. This is not a sponsored drill or whatever. So yeah, a bit of Jason Marks in there. Okay, cool. What else do we have? Okay, in here, oh my god. In this pocket right here. Oh, seems weighty. Oh my god. Really actually do have silver in my jackets, guys. Bunch of silver coins here, as you can see. Bunch of silver coins. Yeah, I'll take a couple out so you can see. Bunch of silver coins in my jacket there. You see it? You know what I mean? So I've got some silver in there. What else do I have in my final pocket, guys? Oh, got my dog and bone. So you can use it for storing your phones as well. So I've got my phone. So boom. Oh, still got a bit of more silver in the old pocketage. Oops, dropped that, but it doesn't matter. The pockets are nice and deep. Again, you probably put you can put anything in here. You can put a couple magazines, or by magazines I mean for the pew pew buckets. You could put probably a couple grenades. You could put a bunch of stuff. You have the nice ISP denotation right there, which is in that nice fetching orange. So you see it says ISPA and it's got the swoosh. So perfect utility vest, guys, for when you're on the run from civilization and you need to carry some gold, need to carry some silver. This vest does the do. Now inside, as you can see, a bit more of that scavenged mesh, as we call it, in that nice beautiful grey color. As you can see, really nice bit of mesh that, and again that's got a bit of purchase on it just so you can, you know, again for flexibility. Same in that side right there. I'm just going to take the vest off so I can show you a bit more of the inner details. As you can see, there's the vest and there's that pantyhose sort of material right like there. Here's the back view, just so you can see. And of course you have these fastened straps which allow you to adjust your sizing. So if it's too small or too big, here's your straps that you can use to adjust that. It's a really beautiful vest. Once again, you have that Nike branding right there, which is actually printed on. So you've got that sort of really I don't know what you'd call it, but it's printed on. So really sort of nice touch. You have all these sort of paneling details with the 3M right there. Really nice touches, guys. I thought I'd show you something different. I got this in the summer and I've been looking forward to doing this for you. So yeah, here it is, guys. Nike ISPA ISPA vest. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I really love this piece. I can't really wait to wear it in the summer and put all my things in there, do you know what I mean, and be the guy that has to carry everything for everyone. Hey, can you put my keys in there? Hey, can you put my bottle of water in there? Hey, can I put my mask in there? Hey, can I put my spare kids in there? Yeah, you can put your spare kids in there, but they're gonna get adopted by me because they'll never want to come home. Anyway, guys, I've gone off on a tangent. You guys have been beautiful. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and as always, make sure you look after yourself. This has been Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host P Fire, aka P Waistcoat, and this has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. Like I said, guys, look after yourself, stay dope, stay fly. Until next time, peace.